A Pakistani expert says U.S. overreaction to the Chinese balloon incident is a strategy aiming to portray China as an aggressor. A Chinese civilian airship had entered U.S. airspace due to force majeure. The non-threatening balloon was later shot down by a missile.
I think it is a change of strategy and policy of US. First, they were trying to intimidate China, but China refused to get intimidated. It compelled the US to change the policy. Now they are trying to present that China is aggressor. So if they cannot intimidate China, so present China as aggressor and start a conflict.
The U.S. uses the airship incident to accuse China of espionage. However, the expert points out, the U.S. itself is the one with the biggest surveillance systems.
US itself is running the biggest surveillance systems. Even they are spying their own allies and friends. And they are also doing it for each and every country. Look at the instruments. For example, when they talk about the technology, they are using those facilities to spy on the people. But when it comes to face the consequences, they start to blame on others. So they say, present like that they are innocent and others are responsible for these things.